Lake Pete and over parts of the Sunshine Skyway. A little bit of light rain this morning. Expects the chance for scattered showers to continue for the next couple of hours. We also are dealing with that fog, and we're seeing some dense fog develop in Tampa, down to 3/4 of a mile of visibility, just over a mile in Sarasota, and over at Avon Park, about half a mile of visibility. Temperatures are very mild, low to mid 60s area wide, and through the day today we'll hold on to that weather impact alert through the morning, as we'll hold on to that chance again for just scattered light rain, maybe a few pockets of some steadier to heavy rain south of I-4 later this morning. And high temperatures today only holding in the low 70s. It'll be a breezy day with partly sunny skies, but we have some really nice weather on the way behind this morning's dreary start. I'll have details on just a dense fog advisory, but we are starting to see at least some patchy dense fog. You want the rain gear? Just give yourself some extra drive time this morning. That is your best bet. I know sometimes on Monday it's a little hard to move quickly, right? But make sure you're giving yourself just a little extra time for that morning commute. Satellite and radar will show you that front to our south, but there's a low along that front. What that's doing is pulling our wind out of the east still, so that's pumping in enough moisture for some showers to surge in off the Gulf. Very spotty and very light rain. We're not seeing any heavy downpours and really not expecting any heavy rain the rest of the day. Over in the Fishhawk area, so parts of Hillsborough County, also Polk County, some spotty light showers from Haines City to Lakeland. Some of that made its way along I-4 earlier this morning. So again, a lot of our roadways are damp this morning with some of that ponding still present from the heavy rain yesterday, especially in parts of Pinellas and northern Hillsborough County. 3/4 of a mile of visibility right now in Tampa, a mile and a quarter in Sarasota, and a mile and a half over in Avon Park. But you can see some of this fog is starting to extend onto I-4 in Hillsborough County. So just again, give yourself a few extra minutes if you run into that reduced visibility. Sometimes this fog does get worse closer to sunrise, so we'll be tracking that for you over the next couple of hours. Temperatures are mild this morning, low to mid 60s, 64 in Brooksville, 66 in Tampa. A little warmer further south, 69 in Sarasota and 68 right now in Sebring. Let's take you hour by hour through the day. I actually was looking at some of the newer model data, and we're going to look at our highest resolution model we have because I think this is doing the best job, and it really did well with our event as a whole. Going towards 7 o'clock this morning, so over the next hour, look at how the rain starts to fizzle apart. Our wind is going to start to shift out of the north, so that's going to pull in some drier air. So just a few spotty showers possible south of I-4 for the morning commute. Then we're mostly dry and mostly cloudy through the rest of the day. It's also going to be breezy. A few heavier downpours could develop in parts of Sarasota and Highlands County a little later today, as that front will be down to our south. We're looking at maybe another 1/100 of an inch of rain. That's about it. High temperatures today only in the low 70s. And again, it will be a breezy day with wind gusts upwards of 20 miles per hour. Chilly start tomorrow, 40s north of town, low 50s for everyone else who have the light jacket. That humidity is going to drop off as well. It's going to be a really comfortable week. And with that humidity staying on the lower end, our next weather system that's expected to arrive over the weekend isn't going to have a lot of moisture to work with. So notice Sunday, maybe a few showers south of town, but that's about it. That's where I think most of the moisture will be. And what that front's going to do is just keep our lows in the 50s. It's going to be really comfortable. You'll need the light jacket just about every single day this week. Not only are we going to have lows in the 50s, but highs only in the low to mid 70s. Really comfortable weather on the way. Your marine forecast looks okay today. We don't have a small craft advisory, but not the best day. Definitely a little bit of a bumpy ride. 10 to 20 knots today out of the north. Seas 2 to 5 feet. Moderate chop on